Hear from you on the WBBM Art Van Traffic Tip Line, 855-780-ROAD, 855-780-7323. Traffic sponsored by Grandview Homes. Grandview will buy your difficult-to-sell home directly from you in as little as 10 days. Grandview buys homes in any condition. You don't need to do any repairs, not even a clean-out. Leave the stress and the mess to them, so visit grandviewhomes.com. Get traffic and weather together on the 8s every 10 minutes on News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM.
We have sunshine throughout most of Chicagoland, occasional scattered rain showers, but for the most part it's going to be sunny, hot, humid, high of 87 degrees. That's about the same forecast for your 4th of July. High tomorrow of 88 degrees with some scattered, even slow-moving at times, rain showers. Right now 79 O'Hare, 77 Midway, and 77 along Chicago's lakefront. On Wall Street, a shortened trading day. The market's open only until noon today. The Dow is up 117 points. The NASDAQ is up 44, and the S&P is up 17. WBBM News Time, 10:50.
Chicago's most trusted stop for updated news minute by minute. News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM.
Dairy groups looking for ways to get more people to drink milk are targeting students.
The U.S. dairy industry is hoping that coffee bars in high schools can help fight the persistent decline in U.S. milk consumption. At a high school in North Dakota, a grant from a regional dairy group is helping to pay for an espresso machine. The high school's coffee bar, selling $3 iced lattes, used 530 gallons of milk this year. The American Academy of Pediatrics discourages caffeine consumption among children, but cafeteria directors say coffee drinks in schools have to follow nutrition standards that make them healthier than the lattes students would get outside of school. With the consumption of milk in the U.S. down 40% since 1975, the dairy industry is looking for all the help it can get. I'm Jennifer King.
One July 4th tradition involves mass consumption.